experiences. The whole life. And we have to identify our fears. Identify the hesitation, the doubt, the uncertainty, and how we're not getting behind our actions or our convictions. What's so beautiful about the Ashtanga, the system, is that it's not a big, you don't have to leap from knowing you're afraid and then doing something really big, like, I don't know, starting a new career. You start with setting up your Padmasana and then taking a chance, swinging the leg out to the side. And so instead of time after time, doubtful, I might wobble, I might fall. No. You practice it. This is something extraordinary. And understand that it adds up.